Alright guys, in this video I'm teaching you guys on how to boost your mining on TapSwap. Okay, in this video I can teach you how to gain 2 million coins, okay, at a spot. Especially we Africans need to watch this video. Okay, so in the video I'm teaching you how to use VPN. Okay, firstly you have to go and download any VPN app. Okay, I have the one that I'm using here, which is free, VPNify. Okay, so once you download the VPN app, you set the country to UK. Okay, so after setting it to UK, you have to open just close it back and open your mining section. Okay, so one thing I want to let you know is this: in this UK stuff, UK people have a lot of tax that they can do to make millions of coins, which Nigerians or Africans don't have. Okay, so in this video, once you get your VPN and turn on your VPN, you click on the task and make sure that you follow the rules of the task. I mean, if you open any one, you click on check. You click on check. As you can see, all the tax here has 300,000 coins, which if you calculate all of them will give you about 1.5 million coins. Okay, so you have to do the tax like by following the the Twitter pages and the groups. Okay, so let me start with example. Then after trying it, because the first time it will not work, so you have to wait for a moment, then you reopen the site again. Okay, once you open it, you click on task, then you click on each one and click on check, done, finish, earn 300,000. So that's how you can make millions of coins at a spot. Okay, as you can see, my coins are moving from 1 point something million to 3 million. Just hold on. So after watching this video, I would like you to share this video to your friends so that they can earn big money. After watching this video, because this video is helpful for all the miners out there. As you can see, my total coins now is 3 point something million. So after that, the next day, you can also change your VPN to another country, which is maybe, let's say, US. If you use US too, they can give you other tasks that you can do that can boost your coins to millions of. Okay, so after watching this video, I would like you to like this video, comment, subscribe to our channel, and also follow us on Facebook at Samoski Tutorial Class.